Well, hey garden friends, it's Destry. Welcome back to my Oregon yard. Today it's kind of a nice, clear, sunny day, and we are going to be opening some gardening mail. I've got some packages here to open, a few things I ordered this year, and I think it will be fun to see what's in these boxes and also talk a little bit about gifts for the gardeners in your life. So I recently placed orders for things that I wanted to either try or replace in my kind of experience with gardening. And I have two different places that I ordered things from. The first one is a place called Garden Answer. If you're not familiar with Garden Answer, they have an online presence with their YouTube channel and Instagram and all kinds of different things. And they also have an online store. Now, I've ordered from them in the past and gotten some really beautiful harvest baskets and other really lovely things from them. I have a different video about that I will link in the description of this video for you. So I'm excited to open up my second order from them. And this video is not sponsored or anything like that. These are just things that I purchased that I wanted to incorporate into my gardening space. So the second package I got is from a company called Farmers Defense. Now, I'm not sponsored or anything. These are all things I purchased and paid for. But I'm excited to see what I got. They actually had a sale. It was like a Black Friday thing or something. And I got hooked in there and entered the coupon code and ordered myself a couple of fun things for the holidays. So I'll share those with you as well. This is a really big box, so I'm trying to remember exactly everything I ordered here. Now, I believe I got quite a bit of this on sale as well. So we'll see here. The other thing I did order from Garden Answer, which is not going to be in this box, are some of their beautiful ornaments that they released this year. So I have two of the gold ornaments. I believe I selected the topiary one and then one of the flower ones. I'm trying to remember which one. So those will be coming at some point, although they said that it probably wouldn't be shipped before the holiday season. That was a hummingbird that just went by. Okay, so the first thing I got are some moss. I believe I got these in anticipation for my amaryllis project that I have coming up. So this one here is just a super moss. I got that one. So these are nice to have on hand. And then there's more of a green colored one. So that is going to be really nice to use in all sort of projects and applications. And then I'm going to go ahead, well, I guess I'll just kind of get in here one thing at a time. This is going to be fun. I've never tried, this is called the Nature's Willow. And so this is like a therapeutic brand. See if I can get my camera to focus here. It's like a therapy kind of brand. It uses like natural materials. I don't know much about it, but this is the Willow Balm patch. This one is a Pain Relief XL patch. And this one is the Willow Balm smaller patch, I guess. So I'm excited to try these. If you've been watching my videos for a little while, you might know that I threw my back out recently, as sometimes we gardeners do, right? So I'm really excited to try these, and hopefully that will help with some of the back pain that I've been experiencing. So I'll report back and let you know what I think of these. All right, so the next thing I got, you guys, I have been wanting one of these for a while. This is the Misto sprayer, or Misto. So this one is really, really cool because you can pump this pump up and then it sprays for a longer amount of time. So this is going to be so helpful to me with my seedling starting this year and my seedling production for my cut flower garden that I'm trying to do in my flower stand. So I am so excited to try this. I've been using just a smaller pump one, and this is going to make my life so much easier. So this would be an excellent gift item, you guys. If you have a gardener or someone in your life that likes to start seeds, basically you spray the seeds when they're small, right, as they're watered. It's just a really gentle way of watering, and it's essential when you're starting seeds. So I'm really excited to give this a try this year. Okay, so other things I have in here, I have this little envelope, so I'm not sure what's in here. Oh, these are some stickers. I did order some stickers, and so these would be another great gift for like a stocking stuffer for any gardener that you might know. So the first sticker that I got is the Echinacea. So you can see there, it's a really nice decal, nice quality. Then I got this one that has the logoing and the 3 flowers. There's an iris there. And then this one was so funny, you guys. It's all I need is this plant and that other plant and then those plants over there. So I thought this was so clever and cute, and I really liked this one. Then here is the iris, really pretty, and peony. Love it. All right, so moving on, I did get another pair of Felco gloves. This is my second pair of these, and I really like them. They are definitely like tough. The the quality is just really nice, right? They hold up really well, and I love that they're red because you can see them, right? If they're out in the garden or, sitting on your pop-up bag, which I'll show you in a minute, sitting around on a bench somewhere or something, you can easily spot them. And speaking of a pop-up bag, that was one of the biggest things in this giant box, you guys. So this is from Fiskars. It's a kangaroo pop-up bag, and I love these. Now, this is sort of a treat to myself because mine is so gross. It is like the handles have fallen off. It's been drug around and drug around. It's getting holes in it. It's like literally falling apart. So it was really time for me to get a new one of these. Of course, this pops up and you can use it for, yard debris and things like that. And it's super helpful when I'm doing my flower bouquets because I can just bring it along with me and cut the bottoms off of those flowers so easily. And they're just really handy and practical to have in the garden. So this is another one too. If you have a gardener or gardener in your life, this would be a great gift or possibly a gift to yourself. And the last thing I got was a garden marker. You guys, these are the best. It's actually called a garden marker. The one I have is a really thick tipped one, and this one is a thin tipped one. So I am going to be really looking to this when I'm doing all my labels for my seedlings. The other thing I forgot to order was labels. So I got to get some of those ordered too. One I have is a thicker tip than this. So I'm excited to try this one because it's thinner tip. So I just went ahead and added that to my order. Now this is the other bag that I'm excited to share with you, and these are from Farmers Defense. So I'll kind of pull everything out here, see what I even got. Now I've been seeing these guys advertised all over my social media, I feel like, so I thought it was time to give them a try. And one of the things they're advertising right now are their kind of winter-proof gloves. And I have tried some other like thermal type gloves, and so I thought I wanted to give these a try. I actually ended up with two pairs, one of which I'm going to be gifting. So if you know who you are, don't watch the video and hopefully I didn't give it away. So these have like a Velcro entry and then a little gusset here. And then they're pretty thick. See here, I believe I got the mediums, not the smalls. Yeah, those are pretty good. Now you can see on this part here, it's got some grip to it. So, and then the back side is supposed to be water resistant, like the water kind of drips off of here. So I definitely would think that they're going to take a while to get soft. They feel a little like stiff. That's my first inclination, but they are supposed to be weatherproof and waterproof. So, again, that doesn't bother me at all. I think they're going to just take a little bit of breaking in. But yeah, these are really nice. Water repellent coating, waterproof liner, fleece interior, touchscreen fingertips made with recycled plastic water bottles. So that's pretty cool. That was the one variety of gloves I got. And then the other one is a little bit different. These ones are thinner. And this is a different kind. So these are not the weatherproof ones or the waterproof ones. These ones have sort of a leather feeling or like a faux leather feel. So these ones are not, supposed to be quite so weatherproof. Okay, so again, I still have, I think those are probably for the touch screen. I don't know, but three of the fingers have that extra padding. A lot of times my gloves split right here. Do you guys ever have that? My gardening gloves will split. And then all of a sudden I have like dirt under my fingernails so bad and my hands are so bad. So yeah, these are really nice, you guys. I really like these. Now these ones are really soft in my, my first wear. Oh, these are really nice. Okay, so some of the other stuff I got from them, they were having a special and I got a couple freebies, but I'll show you those in the end. They are really well known for their gardening sleeves. I have one other pair of their gardening sleeves. So I wanted to get a new design. So this is the design that I got. You can see it there. It's kind of a tropical with the leaves. It's kind of a blue color. So these are for gardening, hiking, fishing, cycling, and outdoor work. I got the small/medium size. And so these just go up your arms. They have a thumb hole, at least the other ones I have do. See if these do. Yeah, they have a thumb hole. And they really help protect your arms from like, I don't know, just like wear and tear in the garden, from like getting itchy for different harvests and things like that. So I'm excited to have a new pair of the gardening sleeves. So the next thing that I ordered from them was actually a clothing item. I've been noticing they're advertising some kind kind of like almost like dry fit material, but they're supposed to be, I would assume, this is what I was assuming is kind of the same material as the sleeves. So this is really pretty. So I picked the one with the butterflies on it. I should show you guys a picture. I was actually a butterfly for Halloween. That was my costume. So I've been kind of into like the monarchs and the butterflies. And of course I have milkweed in my garden. And yeah, I think this is going to look really, really nice. So I definitely think some garden sleeves or protective clothing like that would make great gardening gifts. So the next thing I got was these shears. They are from the Farmers Defense Company, so I don't know much about them or the quality. It looks like they do have a little lock here for the shears. You can slide that up and it locks, but it's just always nice to have another pair of shears around. And then this was the kind of deal that they had at the time. It was like a free pair of socks and a free hat. And I was like, oh, you get a hat and a pair of socks? Well, sign me up. I'm such a sucker for that kind of stuff. But these are the bug repellent calf high socks. So these are the socks, and you know, who wouldn't want a pair of free socks? So I snagged those. This is the little beanie I got. And I don't think there was really a choice of color or anything with this. It was kind of a freebie thing. So this is the beanie. So give it a try. Oh yeah, it's cute. Oh, you guys, beanies do make a great gardener gift. So I like it. I think it's cute. All right, guys. Well, I think that's going to do it for my haul this time of year for all my gardening supplies that I purchased from Garden Answer and from Farmer Defense. I'm excited to give some of these products a try. If you have a gardener in your life, I hope this video gave you some ideas for things that you could gift them possibly this time of year. And the best gift for any gardener in your life is time spent in the garden. Whether you go out there and have a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, and just let your gardener friend talk about their plants, or whether you actually pitch in and get your shovel and get out there and help them pull some weeds, that is honestly the best gift you could give to any gardener. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. If you need me, I'll be doing some gardening with all my new goodies. See you guys next time. Bye.